Much of what we're going to learn in Lesson 4 can be found in Vocal Training for Praise Singers text in Part 9, Ranges and Registers, Where Do I Belong? There will also be additional information that I've acquired in my teaching that is not yet in a book, so it's good to have both. So, what are vocal registers? On page 117 in my book, I write, a grouping of notes in a singer's vocal range that have a similar vocal tone quality and are produced by the same muscular actions. What does that mean? They all sound like they belong together and they're created the same way. But let's talk about what these different registers are and what is popular pedagogy. We have 5 vocal registers. Our chest voice, you've probably heard of that, your speaking range. Your head voice, also known as falsetto. Your mixed voice, we'll talk a lot about that. Vocal fry, way down on the bottom, and whistle tones, way up in the stratosphere.